At some point of your crypto journey, you invested in Aragon. And now you want to know what is happening on the charts with the price action and what could be happening in the future, right? If that is the case, you are at the right place at the right moment, as right now we are doing a price prediction for 2021 regarding Aragon ANT. And not only that, but I'm going to guide you step by step in the entire process of price predicting so you can do it yourself in the future. Welcome to the ultimate guide of the price prediction of Aragon. Let's waste no one's time and dive right into the technical analysis of today's coin. This is weekly chart, Aragon versus dollar. Every candle that you're seeing is 1 week, so we got a lot of price history to explore. Let's start with what's happening right now in 2021. There's one simple line that you should watch. There it is, nothing fancy. In April, it started with resistance. In May, resumed with it. And a few weeks ago, in September, we just confirmed that this is a real resistance. Now, until you see Aragon's price above this crucial line of resistance, in simple terms, Aragon is bearish. I'm talking short term. Long term is a different picture. But right now, for months, you can see a fairly large number of weekly candles in a downtrend. Moving on, besides this line of resistance, what else should you keep an eye on? How about this upward sloping parallel channel? This channel started to exist more than 1 year ago. Resistance, resistance, support, 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 support. So we have multiple touches on both sides. Much more on the supportive side. This channel is for now valid, and Aragon is respecting it in its travel to the future. Now, for now, this is the trajectory of Aragon. But you know, at some point, there is a high possibility that in the next bear market, which could come, let's say, next year, this channel is broken to the downside. For now, that is not the case, so don't panic. This point, right here, at the beginning of September, you can see what happened. We just retested the middle line of this upward sloping channel. For now, this channel is super important for Aragon. So, if you are an Aragon holder, keep an eye on it. And please look at this volume. What are you seeing in this box? Let me make it clear to you. Can we deduct from this that anytime we are faced with a heavy resistance, we got a high spike of buying volume? Look at this. 3 towers. Where? On our 3 points of resistance. Interesting stuff, right? Well, it is interesting, at least for me, the technical analysis enthusiast that I hope you like to follow. Now, as we said, at this moment, Aragon and practically the whole crypto space is not so bullish. In a long-term bull trend, yes, but short-term, not so bullish, more bearish. And if I erase all this, let's remove the volume, and for example, put one exponential moving average on the screen. Move it like this, so the story became clearer and clearer. This, ladies and gentlemen, is 55 exponential moving average. It really doesn't matter which one we choose. I chose 55. Why? Because during the real bear market, you can see what was happening right here. Look at all those spikes and touches of the 55, but not as a support, as a resistance. This was a real bear market. The price was never able to go above this 55. In the bull market, we have a different story. We are above it, all the way until this point, this huge ass candle. Look at this beauty. Not so beautiful, but look at this giant, huge red candle that broke for the few months our uptrend. And what was happening? We danced with the devil below the 55, and this is the innuendo to our price prediction as a warning. Why I'm saying that? Check this out. Can you spot where the price action is regarding the 55 exponential moving average right now? Oh yes, unfortunately, right now we are below the 55 exponential moving average again. Why is this happening? I don't think that this is a bear market. This is just a warning, a caution for you Aragon investors that this might be a very dangerous time to invest in this coin. Saying that, if you think that this is a valid project, if you think that we are oversold, maybe now is a good time for buying. I'm not a financial advisor, so I won't get into that. All I want to say is be careful. We are below 55 EMA. For me to get bullish, we should get above the 55. And yes, after that move, you can expect maybe something like this one more time before the real bear market. For now that is not the case. Be careful. Things could change pretty fast in the crypto sphere, but we need more confirmations. Let me just say one more thing. All is not lost. Because if I plot you 144 exponential moving average, just please enjoy this area. We found a clear support in this 144 EMA, around $3.60 at this moment. So it is a possibility that right now, from our $4.22, we drop to $3.60. And for me, that would be the lowest point that you will see on Aragon. One more time, be careful. Know it, what kind of risk you are handling, and know the possibilities ahead of you. And right now, ahead of you is a price prediction and the ultimate guide on how to do it. I gave you the warnings, I gave you the red flags, the yellow flags, the green flags. That's it. I prepared you enough. You could go into the world and become a new messiah. First of all, we gotta travel into the past. Something like this is fine. I will mark you 2 points. Step 1. Mark the high of the previous bull market. This is a level of $7.80 or something like that. This was the high of Aragon. After that, we had a severe bear market, and this is the real motherfucker, not this one that we're having right now. We crashed from 7.8 all the way to November of, look at this, please, 28 cents. Now that's a fall, ladies and gentlemen. That's a severe crash. But this move is important for us, because from that point and that point, if we combine them, we will get our price prediction for the future. Now look at what I'm talking about. We will use Fibonacci retracement tool. Usually Fibonacci retracement tool is used in opposite direction. You connect the low and, for example, this high. Today we are doing the opposite. In my price prediction, we are connecting this high and this low. So we connected, as we said, the peak of the previous bull and the low of the previous bear. At this point of my ultimate guide, you will see that you get those interesting levels. Those are the retracement that you wanted. But more interesting stuff is waiting for us in the future. Now, first of all, let's go like this to the left for the more interesting stuff. Now let's travel downside to get all those prices that I think you will be waiting in the future. Pay attention to this one. First level of 161.8 is at $12.43. And what do you know? Ladies and gentlemen, please, we already hit that level. Can you see it? Right here, at March of this year. The first level was hit, $12.43. You got a check mark. Now, if we continue with our bull move, if Aragon decides to go bullish, strong and fierce, the level of almost $20, 19.94, is waiting for you at the extension of 261.8. Now, the next extension of 361.8% is awaiting at $27.45. But really, the most important stuff of today's video is awaiting us at a level of 423.6%, our final destination, and the extension of $32. There it is, the ultimate guide for the $32. I hope you remembered everything I said, step by step. I'm a slow talker, I'm a slow learner, and I'm a slow teacher, so I hope you get something out of it. Otherwise, why the hell would I have made this as an ultimate guide? I hope you're satisfied with this level of $32 that I think Aragon is capable of doing if the altcoin season ignites in the right way. It is a possibility, in my opinion. Maybe I'm too bullish, but the right one. If this guide prediction analysis was helpful, subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of stuff coming your way. Like it, share it. Be the good boy of our community. Be a part of something bigger than me, than you, the whole crypto movement. And since you're here with this video, valuable information is in that one also as in this one. Maybe even better. Maybe worse. But nonetheless, just watch it. Crypto Aragon Revolution to the moon.